Hi everyone, today I have here the Smallrig Advanced Cage Kit for the Nikon Zr. And this is something I would really consider to be almost essential for this camera. I mean, it's great on its own, but this opens up so many more filmmaking creative possibilities. I love these things. I have one on my Nikon Z8 right here. I've got the Night Eagle cage on my Nikon Z8. And this thing is just so very, very useful. I've been using it for ever since I got the Z8, in fact, practically. A couple of years out of that cage, and they're fantastic. They protect the camera from bumps and scrapes, and they have built-in Arca-Swiss tripod mounts. It's just very, very cool, very, very useful. Even if you're just doing photography, I think one of these cages from Smallrig is something which I would absolutely love to have on all of my cameras. Without further ado, let's get out of the box. Everything is nicely packaged. I like all the brown paper packaging. It's much better than shiny plasticky materials, so that's great to see. Right here we have the cage itself, which is very, very light. And take a closer look at it right here. You can see it has all these mounting points all over it. It's got a cold shoe mount up there on the corner, and you've got a magnetically attached key on the underside there. Now, I was initially worried when I got my first Smallrig cage that this key would just fall off because, you know, it's magnetic. I expect, and I'm taking my cameras in all sorts of conditions, and really they get jostled around quite a lot. So I'm really surprised that the key on my Nikon Z8 cage is still in place. So those are very reliable and really, really useful to have. So just, you know, built into the cage. So yeah, you also have a couple of extra screws in there if you need them. And you've also got a grip on this one, which feels really comfortable, just holding in my hand here. And the Nikon Zr does have a very small grip. It's a comfortable grip. This thing adds an extra bit of length out there so you have more to hold on to, which is nice. We'll go ahead and get the rest of the stuff out of this box. We have a Allen wrench, because there are some bits that I believe you do need to detach from this. In fact, right here, these two bits need to be detached. You need this to do that with. And that's actually really cool because the Zr has these strap mounts on either side here. And these bits right in here on this cage fit into these strap mount points. So it really locks the camera in there. It's not just locked on from the quarter screw mount on the bottom, it's also locked on from the sides, which is excellent. That's another reason why this is better than just, you know, having a Arca-Swiss mount or a tripod mount of some kind on the bottom of the camera, because this really holds it on a lot better, a lot more secure. Got instructions. We have in here a little bit like Christmas, opening all these little presents. Unwrapping them all. I really do like this packaging that Smallrig goes for. Okay, so this is a strap lock, or not a strap, no, sorry. This is a cable lock that will go on this side here, and it'll lock any sort of cables you want to plug in there, so they don't move around or come unplugged. This is also really important with this camera if you're going to use it with the micro HDMI. Micro HDMI is very fragile. So you have this on here, you can lock in the micro HDMI so it doesn't get accidentally bumped, and you're not going to have to worry about that getting something happening to that. So that's really nice to have right there. We'll assemble all this in a minute. And in here, we have the top handle. And that is so that you can grip it like that and carry the camera like that. It gives you an extra point to hold on to, and an alternate way to hold the camera. That's nice to have. Oh, another one here. This is, not sure exactly what that is. Oh, and this is the side handle here. So that will attach to the side of the camera. Yeah. That feels really good, by the way. And it can be used either that way also works that way too. So it's sort of work on either side of the camera, I believe. Yeah, that's everything in the box. Time to put it together. So we're going to begin by undoing these locks right here. Oh, except this isn't for that apparently. I'll go with this under here. This may be the tool we need. Yep, that's exactly right. Nice. That is actually appears to be a captive screw, so you don't have to really worry about losing that when you undo them. So that's nice to know. There's a lot of thought that has gone into this design here. I'm really glad that Smallrig has this at launch with the Nikon Zr. So this is something I definitely want to have with this camera. Okay. That fits that. Oh, okay. That's just to make screwing that in easier. And there, it's on. We'll attach these for the extra security they provide. And they just slide right in to those strap locks. And I would much rather use this. And then this has mounting points for a camera strap too. So you can put a camera strap on here. Oh. That is that is a really solid case, actually. I guess I might as well put the top handle on next. So I had thought that Smallrig hadn't included the correct size Allen wrench to attach this NATO rail right here. In fact, it's built into the handle right there, which is quite clever. And yes, that is exactly the right size for these screws. I just need... Yep. Oh, that's locked in tight. Very nice. Woo! And I'll pop that on there. Lock the handle on. Now, one thing to note is that it looks like if you want to use these locks right here, it's a little bit awkward if you want to attach them with the side handle on this side. In fact, I wouldn't actually do that. I think I would either use the handle or use these. Or, I mean, you can always mount the handle somewhere else. It's like, you can put it on this side if you wanted. But as it is, it's like that. Yeah, that feels really good. That feels like, yeah, really nice. So yeah, that's the Nikon Zr with the Smallrig Advanced Cage Kit. And I really like this setup. This feels like a really good filmmaking rig actually now. Really cool. Just at whatever sort of height you want it at. It's got a cold shoe on the top. Extra mounting points on it. Pretty much everything you could want out of a cage kit, at least that I could, is on here. I mean, you got the built-in Arca Swiss plate, which is essential. Battery door remains accessible. And the camera is protected, essentially, on all sides. And even that Nikon grip material that has a tendency to experience excessive wear and tear is protected by this cage. You're not actually gripping much of the material of the camera itself. You're gripping the material of the cage kit, so that's good too. Overall, I would say this is really, really nice. And now we're going to go out and film some footage with it, and I'll show you what it's like in action. So let's head out there and do just that.